Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be taking you on a walking tour of Ipswich. Going to show you what there is there for Goths, and if we bump into any Goths we'll stop and say hello. So come on a walk around Ipswich with me. So here we are at Ipswich train station, so let's go for a walk. Ipswich Town Football Club, if that's what you're into. There's an interesting old building here. Got no idea about the history of it, but I thought it was worth a look. Here we are at a shop called Miss Quirky Kicks, which is in Tackett Street. Let's go and have a look in here.
Sometimes, maybe more than some of the time, I'm on a false ego trip. Insecurity is right. I'm not the ideal person to be lecturing on life, but if you want to know some things I've learned about myself, being in sticky situations, I won't bore you with the filth. Breaking bones and sniffing gear, pouring blood and sweat and tears. In a nutshell, I suppose it's the way the water flows.
Thanks very much for your help. The shop here is called Midnight Moon, and it's in Orwell Place.
That's what you mean, can't go back to it.
Unfortunately, he wouldn't let me film in there, so he doesn't get a free advert. Bye. This is the Ipswich Regent Theatre. There's lots of good bands play here. It's just walking into the town centre of Ipswich. Let's go and have a look in here. Lots of little pop-up shops. Another very old building here. It's a solicitor's office, apparently. So this is the Purple Shop, which is in Fonarow Road. When you Google Goth Ipswich, this is the only shop that comes up. I had to dig deep to find the other ones. So let's go and have a look in there, expecting great things. So this is a Goth-themed brewery and pub called St Jude's. It's not open now, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to Google some of the pictures of this and put it into the video. because it's worth having a look inside, and obviously we can't because it's not open. Now walking back into the town centre of Ipswich. This is Ipswich Town Hall. It was opened in 1868 by the then mayor. It had a 3-day opening ceremony, including a ball which 400 people attended. This is where I decided to stay for lunch, because even though they're called bonbon chocolate, they sell salads as well, and I'm on a diet.
And then we found it was on lots, and boxing out late as well. Yeah, which was full of offers. So let's put one on. We found out it was all lots.
This shop's got a few Goth themed books in the window.
Before with the business manager was doing it, and she was awful.
This is inside the Sailmakers shopping centre.
Oh, that really cool down there.
Yeah.
Here's the Ipswich Just Essentials shop. It's in Upper Brook Street. They've got every shade of eyeshadow, lipstick, hair dye, and whatever you want in there.
You know what change you are yet, do you? I think that one is externally.
The Fair Trade shop. This is Christchurch Park. Look at all these lovely old Georgian buildings here. This is obviously Ipswich bus station. I was told by someone to come back into the Sailmakers shopping centre because there's a shop here called Attic in the Moon, which sells gothy stuff, and we're now going to go and have a look inside.
So are you in? Yeah, you got all the telegram type.
do a. See, I've got.
Oscar Beaton, small town boy.
Everywhere you look in Ipswich, there's a heavy Ed Sheeran presence. Here we are back at Ipswich train station, waiting to go back to lovely Lowestoft. So here I am back at home. I had a great day in Ipswich today. There was quite a few shops that were sympathetic to Goth subculture, and there was a lot of independent shops, and I had a really good day. Yes, I think you can do Goth in Ipswich.